Laundromat 101, buying, owning, and running the laundromat. If you ever walked into a laundromat and thought, how does this place actually make money? You're not alone. Most people overlook this business because it's not flashy. But what they don't realize is that laundromats are one of the most consistent, recession-resistant businesses you can own. Today I want to walk you through Laundromat 101, what it really takes to buy one, own one, and run one successfully. Buying a laundromat. The first thing to understand is this. You're not buying washers and dryers. You're buying cash flow. When you look at a laundromat, the location matters, but the numbers matter more. You want to look at monthly revenue, utility costs, lease terms, and the condition of the equipment. A lot of profitable laundromats are undermanaged. That's where opportunity lives. They have outdated machines, poor systems, no marketing, and these are the problems you can fix. And no, you don't need $1 million. With the right financing strategy, partnership, and structure, laundromats can be acquired with little to no money out of pocket if you know how to approach the deal correctly. Owning a laundromat. Here's the truth. Most people won't tell you. Laundromats are not passive on day one. In the beginning, you need to be present. You need to understand your machines, your customers, your busiest hours, and where the money is actually leaking. Ownership starts with learning the business from the ground up. So once you know how it operates, that's when you can start building systems and allow the business to run without you being there every day. That's when ownership turns into freedom. Running a laundromat the right way. Running a laundromat is about systems, not guesswork. You need systems for your machine maintenance, cash or digital payment tracking, cleaning and presentation, customer experience, utilities, and expense control. Clean, well-lit, well-maintained laundromats outperform neglected ones every time, just like this one. Upgraded machines to more efficient modules, adding digital payment options, and creating a better environment can dramatically increase revenue without increasing foot traffic. This business rewards consistency and attention to detail. Now, why do laundromats work in any economy? Here's what we love about this business. No matter what's happening in the economy, people still need clean clothes. Recession, inflation, job changes, it doesn't matter. Laundromats stay essential. That consistency makes them powerful assets for long-term wealth building. This is not about quick wins. It's about predictable income that compounds over time. Now, the bigger picture. One laundromat can change your life. Multiple laundromats can change your family's future. When systems are in place, this business becomes scalable. One location leads to two, two leads to three, and now you're building something that lasts. That's why Wealth Off Washers is about showing people how to turn small change into real ownership, real income, and real freedom. So look, y'all, laundromats may look simple, but they're powerful when they're run correctly. If you're willing to learn the business, put the systems in place, and think long-term, this industry can absolutely change your life. This is Laundromat 101, and this is just the beginning.